Good day traders, how you doing? Hope you're all good. Okay, just want to do a quick analysis on some pairs this morning that I think might be a good opportunity for us to make money on. Just two pairs, basically GBP USD and US30. Alright, what am I seeing on GBP USD? The overall market of GBP USD is a sell. If you check our last videos, you see this clearly, how that we explain the market sentiment, the overall market sentiment of GBP USD, and I can show you that briefly. There's a sell, a range, a collapse, and market is coming back into this consolidation like so. So if I draw my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you can see clearly that this market basically is in the Fibonacci region, a retracement region. So we are heading to the 100% retracement for a sell and to the last take profit. So that's that about the sentiment of the market. So the market is a sell. Let me delete this. The market is a sell, so you can see clearly. So all I want to be doing on GBP USD is to sell the market. As you can see, first of all, the flow of the market is downward, and we can see structure forming: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high, lower low. Sorry, let me come again. Higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, equal high, lower low. So the market is forming a lower high right now to come from a lower low to the downside. So that's that about the market sentiment. So having gotten the market sentiment or the flow of the river, what then do? We don't initiate our entry, we don't take our trades on the higher time frame. So what we do basically is we scroll down to the lower time frame to know what the market is doing. So basically what I'm saying now is, since we already know that the market is selling, I need to clearly state out my structures, my areas of concern, areas that I want to be taking my trades. So I can see clearly from what I'm saying here, this is a head, this is a left shoulder, and this is something like a right shoulder. And market broke down and we closed below the neckline. Let me zoom out so we can see. So this is the head, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and we're able to break below this neckline. So when we broke below this neckline, market retraced back as if it was coming back up, but we could not close above this neckline. So market came down again, rejected. So all I want to be looking out for is still a sell. So once I just come down to my lower level, so at the point I was expecting USD to buy, if you could remember, we draw a counter trend line like so around this region, and we're expecting it to come and give us an entry to the upside, but market didn't do that. So instead we just, it was able to sustain just below this neckline. So I knew we are not heading up. So when I saw this and I saw this retracement, all I want to be doing, don't forget, is to sell. So what I'm looking out for is a sell. So I just scroll down to my 4 hours a little. I'm not getting more details or a good details that I needed on the daily time frame. So all I need to do is just to come down to more lower time frame to get details. So if I'm to draw my counter trend line like so, then I will not be having a good take profit, 100% take profit level. I would not. So this is quite an area of concern at the point for me. So I said to myself, if I see market close below this green line, then I'll be wanting to enter this market. So now on the 4-hour time frame, I could see a very strong bearish close below this green line. So GBP USD, I want to be trading GBP USD now. So where would my first take profit level be? If I come down to the higher time frame, I could cite an area of concern. I'll also clearly, if we can see this, we can see a head and shoulder clearly formed already. This is the head, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and we're able to break this neckline. So market closed below this, so we are heading down for sure on GBP USD. We're heading down for sure on GBP USD. So the first take profit target will be around this region, or where I'll be taking part of my profit. So I'm shorting this market right now on GBP USD, and come down to far to set my stop loss. So stop loss will be just above this, alright, just above this. And my last take profit will be around there. So this is a 1 to 4 trade. I'm risking 1% to make 4% of my profit. So if I'm risking a $2,000 on this account, I'll be getting back $8,000. So my first take profit will be I'll be taking 30% of my profit from the market, from this region, this area of concern. Then my last take profit will be around this region. So that's that about GBP USD. Thank you. And also, please don't forget, if you want to trade your derived funds, you can trade it with us at myabove, www.myabove.ng. We can help you exchange your derived funds and also your scroll funds, cryptocurrency, perfect money, and PM. And if you really want to know how to trade and how to be able to have an edge in the market and scale profitably in forex market, you can subscribe to our academy on www.myabove.ng. Also on the academy you can get the course, it's quite cheap. So that's that about that. Thank you. Stay above.